we're gonna transform today. It's too early to film, bro. Like, I'm so tired. That's why I look a mess. She do be looking a mess. But we gotta get ready for school. I plan on meeting the love of my life during college. So, and you know what? I am a catfish, and I say it proudly. The bitches out there who aren't catfishes, y'all just mad because you can't do makeup. Did I lie? Did I lie? Where's the lie? I'm gonna shut it down before any of you guys start it up. I'm not gonna be telling the products that I'm using. If you really want to know, check the description box. Cause on God, it takes too long to do all of that. And this isn't a tutorial. It's just me. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's just stop talking. I low-key have like an hour to do this. My classes start at 10. But you know what? And that's fine. On me. I be doing too much prepping before I put my makeup, I swear. Like, 2 primers ain't enough. I'm about to add a 3rd for my pores. It's because I do 1 moisturizer, 1 hydrating primer, and then 1 for these bad boys. And then I feel like I can adequately what was I saying? Okay, that's how you know I'm tired. I don't even know what this is too. Okay, we about to do a little sprit. Bro, that didn't even touch my face that first time. Bro, before this, I had to shave my mustache. I'm like dead ass. I had a full-grown mustache before I started this video. I was like, what the fuck? Are you sure I'm a female? Because that was not normal. That's embarrassing. That's like not even... I wish I was joking. Like, I'm literally not even kidding. I had a whole ass mustache on my face. We're gonna do a blank canvas. I like to do about a pump and a half. Yup. Bro, my skin always looks so nice. Like, when it's like winter break. When there's no stress whatsoever. And then I go to school for like a week and it's like pepperoni pizza and this hoe. This used to be my favorite foundation and it's starting to slowly lose its place in my favorite foundations, and now I just don't have a favorite. Alright, now it's time for concealer. I be saying concealer like that a lot, bro. Like, I don't know what it is. I think it was Laura Lee. Before we found out she was in a Wakanda queen, I used to stay watching Laura Lee. And if you know Laura Lee, y'all know that she be saying concealer. And now I feel like ever since then, I forgot how to act. My hair looks a mess. It's because I wanted y'all to get the full catfish effect, bro. When I got this hair done, this makeup done, it's over. It's not over. It's time to lose some weight since I can't get my fat ass in the gym. I'm gonna contour with some cream contour. Well, this is concealer, but whatever. Y'all get the gist. Bro, if whiteface were a thing right now. Let me shut that shit down. I've been doing too much lately with the cream contour. So I'm gonna try to do like a little less. Gotta get rid of some of those chins. I'm not even playing. I think I sprained my finger, bro, because this shit hurts. I'm not gonna lie to you. My finger, oh, look at my nails. They a bit, what's it called? Shit. Get it out of my mouth. I can't wait until I get an actual camera and a laptop. That would be sick. This house lately been a little too paranormal for me. If I don't find my man this semester, I'm dropping out. Mama, if I don't find a couple of friends this semester, I'm dropping out. Okay, time to set. Can't have this face going nowhere, baby. You gotta commit to the full illusion. I'm not kidding, bro. I don't even know what I did to my face. I think it was just I was sleeping, and I'm a like crazy sleeper sometimes. And then I just like hit my hand against that wall right there behind me. I feel like when I get less sleep, I feel more energized. I feel more energized when I get less sleep. Also, I realized I need to start talking louder in my videos because I'm always like, and no one can hear the fucking word I'm saying. I don't know who thought this was a good idea. I never do this in my makeup routine. And it looks a lot more stark on camera. In real life, it's not that deep. See, now I remember why I did so much with it. Now I remember there was a whole process. That's why I did a lot of cream contour, because otherwise I just look ghastly. This is my favorite brush for contouring. I lost her. I have no idea where she went. And I have to go buy a new one. Go buy this brush. This is a Morphe M530. Changed my contour game. I don't know how to contour my own nose. So I just like kind of do like whatever. But I assume you're supposed to make it look pinched up here. Damn, not that pinched though. You know what though? Oh my god, I was literally about to say some shit about how it doesn't look that bad right now. And then I looked in the finder of the camera and I was like, whoa. Whoa, love. Slow your roll there, love. Then take this and say brr da da pop. I'm not even funny, bro. I just like to think that I am. Brr pop. That's so stupid. But why my contour kind of snapped though? Like, it didn't. I gotta stop. Oh my god, I gotta stop. Stop playing with me. What the fuck? Stop playing with me. Okay, I'm gonna fix it up off camera because this is irritating me. It still looks the exact freaking same, but once I spray my face, you know what? It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine at the end of this. It'll be fine. I hate a bitch who's too quick to judge, especially when watching a makeup video. Like, girl, you don't do makeup and it shows. Like, trust the process. It's gonna look ugly. It always, if it doesn't look ugly before it looks pretty, are you doing it right? Isn't it weird that I used to be like so into highlighting my face? Like, highlighted everything at a point. Highlighted nose, nose bridge, inner corner, cheekbones, chin, cupid's bow. Even sometimes I would put it like right here above my brow, sometimes even under my brow bone. Tell me why I own like 10 different highlighters and like 2 different highlighting palettes. And I barely be highlighting no more. Yo, Loki, ow, ow, ow. That shit hurted. Okay, so now I'm gonna hit the nose with some highlight, literally right there on the tip. Oh my god, I haven't done this in so long. And then I like to do some literally like right here. Maybe some right here, I guess. What the hell is the point of Cupid's bow highlighting? If you got big lips, or if you got any type of lips, you can only see the highlight when you... Bruh. My face is itching. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. No one cares. They're boring to watch. Peace out. Ooh, that's not good. My brows are finished. They're not my best work, but you know what? They'll do just fine. Look at this. Not gonna lie, it do be nasty, but I'm desperate. These girls need to be in place for the entirety of the evening. I do this every time. I can never get these bitches to be somewhat related. Like, damn, can y'all just cooperate? Can y'all just cooperate? I'm trying to do the most for you. I'll be doing the most for you. For you. And you be looking like this. I like to bake my eyelids. When I'm doing something crazy, I don't even bake my eyelids. But when I'm doing something super simple, I like to bake my eyelids. Because otherwise, it's so ugly. So ugly when your eyelids start creasing. Ow! My finger! Freak. This ain't no game. Then I take this big brush and I feel stupid when I can't speak. It's like it's so frustrating to not be able to get your words out the way they like form in your head. Cause I'd be like, in my head I'd be sounding like George Orwell. But out loud, I'm like, what? I can barely see it, but that's what I'm going for, to be honest. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. You ain't got no cash. You ain't got no dollar. You stay with that drama. Oh, that looks like a basic bitch just did my eyeshadow right now. Are you kidding me? I was having a rough day one night and I just threw my Miamis back in the box without putting them like left and right. Now I'm about to put these bitches on backwards because I'm so serious. I can't even tell which is which. I think they go like this. Am I lying? Am I tripping? Do they go like this or like this? I think they go like this. I'm gonna put them on like this. If I put them on backwards, I'm not going to school. That's it. I'm not going. I'm not kidding. The way I put on lashes is so inconsistent. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. I just do something. Oh my gosh, bro. I put my lashes on, but they look like two completely different lashes. So ask me how mad I am. But it's fine. It's fine. This is a very important step. You cannot forget to lip line. Damn, I'm still recording. I forget. This is my favorite lip liner though, in the shade BFF2. Not tres, not uno, dos. Okay, now I'm gonna take lip injections from Too Faced. And I'm gonna put that on because I can't hide my regular clear lip gloss. I'm gonna go figure out my hair and my outfit because we're not the ultimate catfish without the full ensemble. I am gonna go find something mediocre to wear, probably between a mix of cute and comfy. I'm very, very sleepy and cold, and it's gonna be cold outside. I'll be back full catfish. Full catfish. I'm trying to figure out if I should keep my hair up or put my hair up or just leave it. I'm probably gonna put it up after I take pictures. Lip injections. I've worn that shit like 3 other times, and never before has it burned as much as it did like when I paused the camera. When I stopped the camera, that stuff said, I was dead ass about to take the whole lip off. I was like, is it worth it though? Anyway, that was my catfish transformation. Yeah, I exposed myself, and what? I genuinely gotta go to school though, so I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Peace out.